Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out an awesome little 1972 Chevy Nova. It's a beautiful car, nice straight body, fantastic look, and a fully numbers matching drivetrain as well. It's got the original motor and transmission still with this car. Correct bucket seat interior.
Yeah, that's the cool part about it. How many Novas have the correct bucket seats? So many of them came with the bench seats.
Yeah.
This has got the correct back seat, front seat, everything matches up, factory buckets, and a factory working in-dash tack.
Yeah.
With vintage air. I mean, it's got the best of everything, and I love the flame orange paint on this one.
It's a great color.
It is.
Nice interior, just a nice all-around car. Yeah, that orange with the
not a
metallic
trailer
interior.
Queen Dalton, but an awesome local car show quality car. Something you can jump in and be proud of. And once you get really close to this, you're going to see just all that metallic in this paint. It's really like almost a pearl if you look at the front here. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but really nice looking. AC's blowing ice cold in there.
Yeah, it's got vintage air on it, power brakes, power steering.
Nice set of headers, dual exhaust. We are running some front disc brakes, torque thrust, aluminum wheels, 17s in the front. I think there are 18s in the back. I'll check that out once. We're 17s all the way around.
Disc brakes.
This is a cool car. It's got a few paint touch-ups, stuff like that, but all in all, just a really good one.
Yeah, fantastic look, and really drives nice too. It's got the Super Sport hood.
The Rally Novus stripes, which I like, on a 72.
And I was really impressed when I went and looked at it and bought it with the gaps. It's got, everything fits just awesome. Your hood fits perfect with the cowl in the top of the fender. Like Chad was talking, you can kind of see the metallic in that orange paint. It looks really nice. Front fender and door fit well.
And before you get too crazy back there, we'll kind of come back to the front a little bit, Dalton. The front hood piece has just a little bit of, that looks like
Fade,
it's factory.
it's original probably.
Yeah, so it's got just a little bit of fade
Front
to that.
bumper looks good. That looks like that was replaced.
Yeah,
It's got
and
a
the
nice
grill's
shim.
awesome in it too. And as you mentioned, that hood fits awesome. Yeah, the paint is awesome in it. That metallic is great.
Got a little chip here. Door fits great.
It's just got some minor ones here and there, but the paint is laid out beautiful.
I like the tinted
over
glass
roof.
too. Back window and side windows are tinted. Oh, that's good.
Looks like a door jamb paint. They did a nice job here, but if you go and like right by the inner side there, some of it looks like it was.
It's like
older,
a little builder maybe.
like in there, just in that area. Yeah. It's got the overhead seat belts. Look how nice, and that tells me 77,000 miles too.
Yeah, I think a lot of the overhead seat belts. I think a lot of the interior is original. Headliner's original. You can see we're just a little bit there. It's still really nice and tight. But you can see that.
They had two little holes that were repaired up there. They did a nice job though.
Yeah, they
I wanna
blend in
point
nice.
those
They
out.
show on camera, but they blend in nice.
It's got a factory rear defrost back there, it looks like. Nope. Can't see through the tint, but it looks like a factory rear defroster and nice 6x9s in the back package tray.
Yep. And I think, yeah, a lot of this interior is original. Looks like original seats and stuff still too. You have a little wear on the driver's seat, but overall it's really clean.
I'll tell you what, I'm gonna love the air conditioning on this because I'm sweating like a pig already.
Yeah.
We just, the window felts and rubbers are excellent on it. Really nice. Doors shut great.
I want to show the body really nice and straight up and down the sides. Everything fits well, like the Rally.
It is.
Nova stripes.
It's got a great stance too.
Trunk lid fits great.
Looks like our back bumper and the front bumper were both replaced during time of restoration.
I like what they did with the exhaust tips, how those come out.
And everywhere I go, no matter what panel you're at, everything was painted at the same time. I mean, there's no, orange is tough, but that metallic flows beautifully all over.
I did notice earlier, I forgot, in the right lighter angle, you can see just a tiny little shrinkage like right here. It's hard to, he's got to get it the right angle. Yeah, great.
Oh, yeah, right here it is. Just a little, I don't know.
Definitely a car you can take a trophy at a local car show.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful driver.
Sweet, man.
Nice and straight on the driver's side.
They did a nice job on the jam paint here. Here's your factory seam seal and all that. Bottom of the trunk lid looks good.
Jack and spare.
Yeah, it looks solid. Underneath, make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out the floor pans and frame rails, stuff like that.
Quarter's nice and straight. You have
Here's a couple tiny chips here, Dalton, that were touched up. There's a little different orange there, see it?
Yep. Chocolate fits well.
Yeah, the door fits great, but again, touch up here, touch up right down in here. But yeah, you're right on the gaps. Really nice gaps from top to bottom on the doors. So many times the bottoms will fit good, but just don't fit very good all the way up and down. This one does. And you know why? Probably because it hasn't been taken apart a whole bunch, you know?
Yeah.
Pretty original car. We got one more video to do after this one, Dalton, and that one has ice cold AC as well.
Definitely.
So 4 out of the 5 videos we've done so far have AC today. Good day for it.
Yes, it is. I talked about already the driver's seat just has a little bit of wear on the original seat.
But how about that? Look at the dash instrumentation. Look at the glass on there. 77,000 original miles, I believe. And just the glass and the lens looks beautiful. And so does just the all-around bezel looks nice too. Top of the dash pad is excellent. I don't see any cracks anywhere there. You can throw the dice away if you want, guys, but we thought we'd leave it in there. Look kind of cool. Dome light works. Again, door gem paint's fine, but it's not like right in this front edge of the door and stuff. It's not quite as shiny as the rest. There's your factory stickers here. Corner of the door, bottom of the door. Let's turn the AC on in driver, should we, Dee? Aren't you impressed by the bezel itself and the lens?
Yeah.
There's your wipers. And there's your heater fan, which AC works good.
Fire it up. Shall we get the air going?
Let's do it. Starts easy as well. Temperature is about 135 volt. Meter works. Oil pressure is at 50 pounds. Gas gauge works. We're at a half tank.
And I like this. You don't see that a lot in the Novas, the factory tack, and that works.
It's at 500. It's idling at 500 with the AC going. Revs right up. Park indicator works. Look at that. Fasten seatbelt light works on it still. Just tells you a lot about the car.
Yeah.
All this and ice cold air, guys. Boy, the power steering just works great in it. Feels nice. Check this out. Look how nice and clean this stuff is. I mean, there's no surface rust, no chips in that or nothing. I mean, just very beautiful dash on it. Very well preserved interior. Look at our black marks from that 70.
It's awesome.
Just before. Isn't that awesome?
That is.
This one ain't gonna do that. We're just gonna cruise there.
Yeah, it's just a nice, awesome driver. Nice cruising rear end gears, but
it's goddamn good.
Well, it does. Nice shift.
This transmission just launched you when it shifted from first to second. I'm impressed with it. Speedometer works great. Here's your brakes. Perfect brakes. We did, I think we did a new pitman arm or something on it as well on the front.
And it's
really
nice that it's the numbers matching drivetrain. That's pretty rare to find. You don't find that very often in these old cars.
And when we talk about numbers matching drivetrain, viewers, we talk about numbers matching motor, numbers matching transmission. We're not going down to the original car.
Well,
I mean, we're not saying that. We don't know. You know what I mean?
Well, that's what,
without checking it
they,
out. So we just try to see if it'll spill a tire.
Yeah, just go check it out.
Not quite.
I think it's just got some nice, probably 323 or no.
They just ripped the tires loose and shifted from first to second. How about that? Shifted to third really nice. Hit 70 mile an hour in third.
All while the air's cold.
Yeah, nice gears in it, don't it?
Dick downward.
Yep. Gonna go a high-speed brake going behind us. Those disc brakes are awesome. Like you mentioned, all the way the air is blowing ice cold, wide open on us, huh?
Yeah, good car.
I'm just gonna take it down to first and see if we can chirp the tires a little. That's impressive, ain't it?
Yeah. Nice, firm, strong.
It's got a little shift kit in the tranny. It just really shifts nice in that original tranny. Steer's really good. We're going 62 mile an hour down the road. It's nice and quiet in here as well. I mean, I don't hear any wind noise on my side at all.
No, seals up great. It's a really good car.
That just proves the 77,000 miles. That all the interior, the gaps, and the way it runs and drives and seals up all prove 77,000.
I like this too. You can take it out if you want, but it's awesome. It's nice to have. Great car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.